Hi, Dominic from Bliz here. I thought I'd present for you Bliz Arrow. Bliz Arrow are made to fit smaller faces and are developed for running, but they're also perfect for cycling and other demanding multisports where comfort, low weight and flexibility are paramount. I will be going through the technical properties and also be showing you how easy it is to change lenses and adjust the glasses for the best possible fit while you're active. All in order to make sure that you feel safe and can instead focus on your performance.
This model is equipped with Bliz Hydro Lens System. Unbreakable XPC polycarbonate lens with 100% UV protection. GRILAMID TR90 material for low weight and flexibility. Adjustable temples with rubber wire core. Adjustable nose pad in soft friction rubber. Hold the glasses firmly, placing your thumb on the center of the frame's top edge. Then grip the lens with your other hand and bend it and the frame in opposite directions until it pops free. Repeat this process with the other lens. Sometimes you may have to use a little more strength to do this. To attach the new lenses, grip the frame in the same way as before. Start by attaching the lens at the frame's outer corner and bend the frame to allow you to press the lens home at the attachment point nearest the middle of the frame. You'll feel it click into place. Repeat these steps with the other lens. Make sure the lenses are sitting firmly in place before you use the glasses. The glasses will fit comfortably once you adjust the nose pad. The easiest way to do this is to use two fingers to separate or press the nose pad together. To make sure the glasses sit firmly around your head while you're active, simply bend the wire core arms to the desired width.
Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, surf in to bliz.com to read more about our unique models and colour range. Take care now and stay safe.